Do doctors and nurses have the power to hold you as an inpatient on the ward until you can be formally assessed? I'm Georgina Legal, and if you'd like to find out the answer to that, keep watching. Also, follow me for more informative content. Okay, so can a doctor and a nurse hold you as an inpatient on a mental health ward so that you can be formally assessed? Well, the answer is it depends. But what does it depend on? So a doctor or an approved clinician, they may hold an inpatient who is in any type of hospital in hospital if they think that an application should be made for that person to be detained under the Mental Health Act. And therefore, the doctor does have a power to hold that person in hospital until an application can be made. And therefore, the doctor can hold that person in hospital for 72 hours. Naturally, a nurse's holding power is going to be significantly less than the power that a doctor holds. So the answer to the next question, which is, can a nurse hold you in hospital, is yes. But only a specific type of nurse has this power. And that would include nurses whose registration indicates that the nurse practices in mental health or those who practice with people with learning disabilities. So a nurse's power is up to 6 hours. And there are 2 criteria that the nurse has to satisfy in order to hold that person in hospital. It must appear to the nurse that the patient is suffering from a mental disorder that is of a degree that is necessary for their own health and safety and for the protection of other persons, for them to be immediately restrained from leaving the hospital, and that it is not practicable to receive the immediate attention, and that it is not practicable to receive the immediate attendance of a practitioner whose purpose it is to create a report to say such. And in practical terms, of course, if a practitioner has been unable to attend, to examine the patient and to complete a report, then once that time limit has ended, the holding power will lapse. So if you are held under holding powers, it would be a good idea to ask for the person who is holding you's qualifications and registration so that you can actually confirm whether or not they actually have the power to do so. And you should take a note of the time that you were placed on hold so that you can establish the time frame of when your holding power is due to lapse. As always, this is not legal advice. This is just informative content related to mental health matters from a legal perspective. And if you found this video informative, then please follow for more videos like this. I'm Georgina Legal, and I will see you in the next video.